Hello, very quick update for the severe weather. Nothing crazy today, just a marginal risk spots of the Ozarks, Oklahoma, Missouri, and parts of Georgia into northern Florida and the south. There's a small 2% tornado threat in parts of the Gulf Coast and Oklahoma, into Arkansas and Missouri. There's a wind threat, 5% in the southeast, and hail, 5% in Florida and Oklahoma, those areas too. So be careful those areas. They say here uh, there'll be some instability today, spots of Oklahoma and the Ozarks. Some the lower top convection develops could become strong to locally severe, with hail possible in afternoon and evening. Brief funnel cloud tornado potential may or also diurne exists the ambient low level for these steep let's rates in the proximity of the upper low. This activity is expected to quickly weaken eastward this evening with the loss of daytime heating. So be aware, some other instability Florida, true in Georgia. So be aware in those areas. They choose a slight risk spots of the Appalachians, Tennessee, North Carolina, Virginia, Kentucky, Northern Georgia, South Carolina, and a slight in Texas as well, and a marginal, and a bigger marginal from Florida all the way to Maryland. So tornado threat just southern Texas tomorrow. Wind in all of the areas, especially the slight risk, and hail in all of the areas, especially in the slight risk. Be careful. Scared damaging winds and severe hail possible over parts of the Appalachians Thursday afternoon and evening, and a soft large hail and severe winds possible across the Rio Grande Valley mid-afternoon to evening. So be careful in those areas day 2 and day 3. Just a marginal risk as well in the southeast. Successfully strong severe storms opposing parts Florida, Panhandle, northern Florida, southeast Georgia, and central coastal South Carolina on Friday. So be aware, but nothing that crazy, but just be careful. Day 1 through 7, still over 5 to 7 inches of rain next 7 days, spots of Florida, Georgia, South Carolina. So a lot of rain coming those parts of the southeast. Next 3 days, a lot as well, spots of Florida, Georgia, and the northeast New England. Day 1 through 5, alright, shows even to 7 inches plus. Day 1 through 7, it increases even more. So please be monitoring that, be careful. And just one thing here, because there's this slight risk in Texas tomorrow, but it's like glued to Mexico. So if you're in northern Mexico, be careful, some severe storms potentially there too, some hail, brief tornado threat, and strong winds, especially Saturday over south central Mexico and over eastern Mexico. In the Yucatan, show stronger storms Saturday, Sunday, spots Central America still by early next week. So be careful in those areas. So the rain accumulation shows even higher for Guatemala now, spots of Mexico into Belize, Honduras for potentially those storms. The icon is more in the Caribbean, but some more in Central America as well. The GFS is even more further south into southern Central America and the southeastern US. So be careful in those areas. We'll have more updates soon.